one could tell that this was not store-bought. It's homemade hummus, the best hummus you can make. I'm gonna take a bite. So good.
Thank you. So today I'm going to make an easy recipe. It is my hummus recipe. Super easy, easy ingredients to use, simple, and it's just
Chickpeas, garlic, tahini or sesame paste, olive oil, lemon juice, and salt, Himalayan pink salt. Simple ingredients. And you're just going to add water to make it to the consistency you like. So, have you ever had hummus?
If you've never had hummus, this is a recipe that you need to try. I know a lot of people usually purchase store-bought hummus. There's no need to. Unless you are super busy, then out of convenience, it's okay. And what I like about making your own homemade hummus is super customizable. You can add so many other ingredients to it. You can add steamed vegetables, whether it be broccoli, zucchini, you name it, carrots, whatever the vegetables, you can add to your recipe. I've even added roasted fennel. I love roasted fennel. I've added broccoli, so I have a broccoli hummus. I've added black beans. You can add your beans. I've added white beans, lima beans. You can add even, you name it, whatever you want to add to your hummus, go ahead and add it. Roasted bell pepper, amazing. I've seen so many flavor combinations out there, and so you can just go wild and make your favorite recipe using your favorite flavors, whatever they are. So this would be a great base recipe, and then you can adjust according to your taste. And so I'm going to start. And this recipe, even though it does have extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons, you can leave it out and just add extra water, or you can even add aquafaba, and that would be the liquid after you boiled your chickpeas. So the main ingredient is chickpeas, and so when you boil your chickpeas, the liquid that is left behind is called aquafaba. You can add it and use it instead of olive oil to make it more creamy and to reduce the amount of fat content in your recipe. Chickpeas are very good for you. They're high in protein, they're good for digestion, and I know there are people who are allergic to chickpeas. Traditionally, this is a Middle Eastern dish, and chickpeas is what most people have used. But I've had recipes, well, on my side, I've substituted it with white beans if you're allergic to chickpeas. So high in fiber, high in protein, and it's great for you. So let's get started.
So what I'm going to add my tahini. So I'm adding tahini. And tahini is sesame paste, which is high in calcium. So it's just the paste of the sesame, and sometimes it's roasted. I'm going to add my extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons of that. And you can find all these recipes on my website. You can find the recipes on my website, healthiersteps.com. I'm adding lemon juice, and I'm adding fresh garlic. I'm adding 2 cloves because I love garlic. If you don't love garlic that much, then you can go ahead and add one clove. And if you don't like the strong flavor of